Hello, lovely viewers! Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey together as we delve into the world of animation software for Windows. If you're a budding animator or just someone who has a creative spark but isn't quite sure where to begin, then this video is definitely for you. I'm thrilled to share with you my top picks for the best animation software for Windows, all of which are user-friendly and come at a reasonable price point. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First on our list is Toon Boom Harmony. This animating software is the gold standard in the industry, and it's particularly popular among Disney and Warner Bros. If you're serious about animation, then this is a must-have tool in your arsenal. Next up is Moho Pro. This software is perfect for both beginners and professionals alike. It offers a variety of features and tools that make it easy to create high-quality animations, even if you're new to the game. Lastly, we have Anime Studio Pro. This software is specifically designed for creating anime-style animations, so if you're inspired by your favorite cartoons or anime shows, this could be the perfect software for you. By no means am I suggesting that these are the only animation software options available, but I believe they are some of the best options currently on the market for Windows users. They are user-friendly, affordable, and will help you bring your creative visions to life. So why wait? Give them a try today and unleash your inner artist. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I genuinely hope this video has been helpful and inspiring to you if you are considering pursuing animation as a hobby or career choice. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more creative content like this. Until next time, keep dreaming big and creating even bigger.